What if you could make your business worth more with just a few strategic changes? Imagine selling your business for a higher price simply because you're attracting more online customers. Today, we're going to dive into a powerful way that you can boost the value of your business using the power of SEO. We're going to go over 3 main ways that SEO can help to increase the market value of your business so that you can sell it for more when it's time to sell. So let's go. The first way that SEO can help your business to be worth more is that it drives relevant traffic to your site. And relevant traffic can turn into paying customers. According to BrightEdge, 53% of all website traffic comes from organic search. This means that more than half of the people that visit your website made a search query on Google and found your website. SEO traffic is highly targeted. It's not like a paid ad where you're going after a cold audience. This traffic is actively searching and looking for the products and services that you have to offer. According to Search Engine Journal, SEO leads have a 14.6% close rate compared to the normal 1.7% close rate of methods like direct mail or paid advertising. That's a pretty wide spread, but it shows the power of SEO and how you can bring in good, high-quality leads to your website to be able to convert more customers. The second way that SEO can help to increase the market value of your business is that organic traffic is worth money. What do I mean by that? Well, to rank for a certain keyword, you can do that in 2 ways. Number 1, you can pay to rank for that word using Google Ads, but it's important to understand that when you stop paying for that ad, your traffic disappears. The second way to rank for a keyword is through organic SEO, which means that your website or your page is being shown on Google in the results for that specific query using that keyword. Now, this also costs money because you're creating content and you're building a strategy, but compared to the price that you would pay for a paid ad or a paid advertising campaign, it pales in comparison. So I said traffic is worth money, but how much money are we talking? For example, if we look at our website here on BKA Content, you can see all the different keywords that we rank for. And if we were to actually pay to win these keywords using a Google ad, just for the month of June, it's saying that the traffic that we're bringing in is worth $18.2 thousand. So you can see that the traffic that SEO drives is worth money, which can help to increase the value of your business if you're bringing in a lot of good traffic. This makes your website worth more because instead of paying for paid ads to drive the same amount of traffic, you're using a much more cost-effective way to do that, which is through organic SEO. Now, before we get into the next way that SEO can make your business more valuable, I just want to put in a short plug for our do-it-for-you SEO content strategy services. Here at BKA Content, we are the experts when it comes to crafting high-quality content strategies that drive results. When you come to BKA Content, we'll give you a free SEO content audit. In this audit, we'll show you the things that are working on your website, as well as the things that aren't, and show you the opportunities that your website has to be able to rank higher on Google and drive more traffic. And like I said, this SEO content audit is completely free. So what do you have to lose? Come to bkacontent.com and find out what we can do for you. The third thing that makes your business worth more because of SEO is simply valuation. A business with consistent organic traffic is just much more appealing to potential buyers. The reason why is because it's a proven, steady stream of customers. When evaluating a business for sale, businesses that get consistent traffic are just simply worth more. According to the Harvard Business Review, businesses that use SEO have a market value increase of up to 10 to 30%. This means that by investing in SEO, you're not just boosting your current revenue, but you're making your business worth more when it's time to sell. So to sum it up, SEO isn't just about getting more clicks. It's about driving valuable, high-intent customers to your website to ultimately increase the value of your business. Whether you're planning to sell now or in the future, investing in SEO is a must to be able to increase the value of your business. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope this video has been helpful, and especially if you're a business owner and you're thinking of selling now or in the near future, SEO is a fantastic investment that can increase the value of your business by up to 10 to 30%. So if you liked this video, make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that when we put out more content like this, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next video.